I'm going to show you how to make Alex Hermozi style captions and clips for Reels. Now, the easiest and best way to get clips made this way is just to hire me to do it for you. So check out the links in the description below or go to thenomadbrad.com to have me make your clips for you. Okay, so the method is fully automated with AI and it's going to be good enough for probably 80 or 90% of you. It's using a tool called Submagic, which is really amazing. And I did a review of it recently, which you can check out in the links in the description. So once you open Submagic, you're just going to drag the video that you want to add captions to. So I've got a clip here from my interview with Dominic Kent. So you can see it's a vertical style video and it's in English. So I'm going to leave it as English and get rid of that. And we're just going to click upload. And it's as simple as that. We're just going to let it do its magic. And I really do think it's magic. You can see it's generating captions and it's just taking a few seconds here. And voila, you see it's generated captions and it's transcribed everything automatically. Then you can go over to the design and you can choose Hermozi 1, Hermozi 2, and you're basically done. It's good enough for most people to be able to export it right now. It's got the captions. It automatically put emojis in there. It's even got a third Hermozi style. It's got the colors that he uses. And there are some other styles you can pick too. And it even generates a AI-based description if you want to post this on social media. So again, this option is probably going to be the best for most people. And if you sign up through my affiliate link, again, Nomad10, you get 10% off. And you can do unlimited videos for their standard monthly subscription. So highly recommend this option if you're doing it by yourself and you just want to scale and get lots of these videos created.